Yeah. So this video we're gonna be talking about um how to invest for beginners. Alright, I would say stocks, bonds, get an E-Trade account. I'm gonna show y'all why. They got a margin loan where you could get a loan against your portfolio, and again you could put it up towards investment. That shit is fire. Look, where's that shit at? Margin loan for withdrawal from margins. Taxes you would pay investing anyway since you see credit card flow. Margin interest. It's based on your cash balance, not based off your buying power. Your buying power limits how much you risk. I love this site right here, bro. Right here, I love this site. Basically, it's based on the cash balance on E-Trade. Um, you could borrow against your portfolio. That shit is fire, bro. E-Trade mine allows you to borrow money from your broker in order to increase my. Nah, people doing this to buy homes, bro. So you index funding the top companies, growing your portfolio, and then you put it in your cash. Put it to where you're getting a margin loan. People doing that to buy homes. It's fire. We'll put it in there. That shit is fire. So this positive cash flow, blah blah. You Gucci. You just use a fire ass loan against your portfolio. That shit is rocking, bro. I'm telling y'all this is fire. I'm just making videos like fuck it. But nah, my shit is fire. I swear, like my shit is unbiased and confirmed. My shit is not like some bullshit where it's like, oh, I seen mad bullshit, bro. Like they don't even show their face. And then the shit they trying to they lying to you, they trying to sell you some bullshit. They making it seem like they misleading you, they misguiding you, they misinforming you. Like, nah, I'm Gucci, bro. Gotcha. Like I'm literally reading it with y'all. Like it's not that bullshit for real. But it's about Morgan Stanley. E-Trade. This is how to invest for beginners. With that end in mind, like, alright, I could grow my portfolio, my cash portfolio, and then I can get a margin loan soon from it. Look, you're probably a beginner, right? Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that aims to apply value investing principles to regular investment. Blah blah blah. See, investing set amounts at regular intervals over time. This is great. See, see, dollar cost averaging, S&P 500, average price you pay long term. Where you invest money in equal portions at regular intervals. So it's like, say, like, all right, you put like 300 a month that's the interval every month. That's what dollar cost averaging. And investment that needs to apply value invested so it keeps growing. Boom, 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 boom. How much, like, you're probably gonna get like, all right, like Apple's a good stock, 20 something percent. But you keep putting like, there's people with different like wage levels. You might be able to put 300 a month to the side. You might be a fucking doctor, lawyer. You might be able to put like fucking like 5,000 to the side every month on a account or brokerage, right? Like E-Trade account, right? You get in the shares of S&P 500, the Apple stock, and then your cash balance too. Uh, the only possibility, so you growing it, so you can also get margin. So that's fire. See, if you have a 50,000 account, 49,000 in stocks, 100, your margin withdrawal limit is 30,000. That's fire. So people taking these margin loans and they putting it in like new investments that positive cash flow. Like, it even tells you your rate is 14%. Blah, blah, blah. So you gotta make sure like whatever you put it into makes you positive. So you're using your portfolio, you dollar, whatever wage you want, you dollar cost averaging. So say you got a small wage, you put in 300 a month every month in S&P 500 Apple. You keep growing your active income, whatever, till like you got a doctor type of wage or where you're getting like not as much money, so you can keep investing, and then you dollar cost average, you probably put like 5,000, and then you're getting like 20% off Apple stock. Apple stock is the best, by the way. Um, and it's unbiased, it's confirmed. And you're getting probably like 20% of a M is 200K. Come on now. You just seen that from a 50K portfolio, you could get a 30K margin with a 14% interest. You keep growing it, you could get like close to 60% of your portfolio as a margin loan with a 14% interest. Your investment has to be super great. Like it has to be the cash on cash return. It has to be great though. And you could take a margin loan off your portfolio. I like that. I like that part right there. Like that shit. I like that shit like that. Creative ways of being funny. I love that shit. I just gotta get the first part too. I just gotta get my business credit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Don't worry about me. I got this. I told y'all my YouTube channel. I didn't give up on that shit. I'ma sell shit on it soon. That's why I'm putting it on right now. So I'm gonna be lit. It's just eventually, like, I just gotta stay on my shit, bro. I don't need shit, bro. Anywhere I'm at, I can just talk my shit to a video or camera, and the whole world's gonna, they're gonna, I'm gonna gain traction. They're gonna get relevant, like all that, bro. Shit is fire. So I'm at 7 minutes. I hope y'all found it useful. It's how to invest for beginners. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.